Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a pina colada. To begin, you'll need a few key ingredients. Start by measuring out 2 ounces of white rum, 3 ounces of cream of coconut, and 3 ounces of pineapple juice. Don't forget 1 cup of ice and a fresh pineapple wedge for that perfect finishing touch. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get blending. Carefully pour your 2 ounces of white rum, 3 ounces of cream of coconut, and 3 ounces of pineapple juice into your blender. Next, add your 1 cup of ice. Secure the lid tightly and blend on high speed until the mixture is completely smooth and has a creamy, frosty consistency. This step is crucial for that signature pina colada texture. Once your pina colada is perfectly blended, it's time to serve. Carefully pour the frosty mixture into a chilled hurricane glass, or any tall glass you prefer. For that classic tropical presentation, add a fresh pineapple wedge to the rim of the glass. A bright red maraschino cherry also makes a lovely addition, enhancing both the look and the experience. And there you have it, your very own homemade pina colada. Serve it immediately to savor its refreshing, icy texture and vibrant flavors. This classic tropical cocktail is wonderfully versatile, perfect for a sunny afternoon, a backyard gathering, or simply when you want to transport yourself to a beach paradise. Cheers to your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.